Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website Milo the dog. I really love the name of the brand. I really like it. It's very personal and it's kind of very inviting to browse. The links at the top feel kind of confusing because mm, they feel like, are you selling your own dog's products? I think it's taking a little bit step too far. Don't be too gimmicky with your collection names. Don't be too gimmicky with your calls to action. Be as straightforward as possible because you don't want to confuse your visitors. Instead of Milo's bed, you can just say shop dog beds or dog beds and so on, or Milo tested products. Um, just add more details like maybe dog accessories, dog toys. I haven't checked what you're selling, so this is like a raw order. So these are all first impressions, like any first time visitor would have. Um, so I wouldn't be too like over the top with your names, with your calls to action, because by the end of the day, this website has a purpose of converting, of selling, and confusing buyers can work against your sales. That's a rule in user experience website design. The best dog products, it is a little bit vague, but the best dog products, you can add the best dog beds, the best dog clothing, whatever you're selling, and make sure to show one of your products in the image instead of a dog, so people will know right away what you're selling, and they can decide whether they want to browse further and obviously buy. So it will help your conversion rate. Also, this button doesn't stand out from the image, so add its stronger color like yellow, red, orange, so it pops up and really draws the attention for people to click it and shop. So this is all about Milo, all about you. So that it continues to feel like it's a website about a dog. It doesn't feel like a shop apart from two places where you set shop. However, it feels like it's the website about a dog. So it feels a little bit like a blog. So it doesn't really have those kind of strong conversion, strong calls to action. So you need to work on that. Only the best of our best. Again, it's very, very vague as well. Tested products, again, it's vague. Make sure to add a little bit more details as to what you're selling, because I got to the end of the homepage, and apart from seeing the dog, I still have got no idea what you're selling. Again, about Milo, tell Milo what you need. It's too gimmicky for a brand new website to go that direction. It's kind of missing, it's too personal, too personalized, but missing the vital conversion rate to really bring sales. You link to your Instagram, however, you haven't got any post. You're not posting, so make sure to disconnect it, because it can make an impression that perhaps the store is inactive and you no longer look after it. So it can definitely affect sales. Okay, I can see that you are selling those kind of comfy dog beds. So I heard that this is a good niche. I mean, I'm not sure if it's a good niche, but definitely seen a lot of stores selling it lately. Okay. So you've got different colors, different sizes. You switch on the variant selection. The product image switches as well. So this is perfect. Really nicely optimized product descriptions. Excellent. Okay, Milo tested products. I mean, I don't see the reason why you need this separate if you've got dog bed here. So think about organizing the products better. Also, don't have all items on sale. This kind of loses um, the whole deal, the whole appeal of the discount. Make sure to have, well, first of all, make sure to have more items in your store and only run discount on 10% of all products in store at any time. The About Us page is sounds very vague. You say you're number one source for all things related to dogs, so you're selling only 4 items. So this feels very dishonest and kind of like you didn't really make an effort putting this business together. So think about from customers' perspective. What sets you apart? What can you offer that other stores don't offer? Almost because I see so many stores selling those dog beds. So think about what can you offer different to really stand out from the competitors. You still have got Shopify default policy, which mentions items you're not selling. So think about adding unique policy to build trust, to build conversion rate, and also add shipping policy, contact us page. These are also important trust signals. Your SEO score is only 55 out of 100. The Google snippet needs optimization. You mention your brand name twice in the meta title, so that's not necessary. Also, no need to mention your URL in meta description. You should stick to 155 characters. However, it's a nicely optimized meta description. Just remove this last bit. You're missing height one tag, so make sure to add it. And work on adding more content. Google loves websites with more written content. Make sure to optimize all images with alt tags. And also connect Google Analytics. That's really great platform, free platform for tracking your traffic and improving your conversion rate. You've got a few broken links, so make sure to work on these. And your website loads in over 3 seconds. So this can definitely affect your sales. You haven't got much content, so I'm not sure why the loading speed is so slow. However, slow websites can affect your organic Google rank. Google doesn't like showing slow websites at the top, and it can also affect your sales because users don't like slow websites either. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the critique, how to work on your website speed, how to boost sales, and how to drive more traffic to your store, please book a free chat with a Shopify expert. This free non-obligation chat is available for everyone who received the critique, so don't miss it. Book it now. The details are in the email. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy.